In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the Find My notification, specifically focusing on offline finding in just 5 minutes. If you've been receiving alerts that are becoming more of a nuisance than a help, follow along as we'll walk through the steps to minimize those notifications. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head to the settings on your iPhone. The Settings app is the hub where you can control various aspects of your device, from connectivity to privacy. Once you've opened settings, look for the privacy and security section. It's where you manage what your apps can access and how your data is handled. Inside privacy and security, tap on location services. This is where you'll find a list of apps and system services that use your location data. Scroll down a bit until you come across system services. Tap on it to open up further options related to Apple's built-in location features. Now you want to locate Find My iPhone, or simply Find My if that's what you see instead. When you find it, you'll notice several toggles available. Here, you'll want to turn off system notifications or significant locations. These options, when enabled, allow your iPhone to remember important places you've been, which might be the reason you're getting those persistent notifications. By toggling them off, you might reduce or completely stop receiving them. For an added measure, you can also open the Find My app directly. You'll see a Me tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap that and you'll see the option to share my location. By toggling this feature off, you're opting not to share your location with your selected contacts, which can sometimes be linked to the notifications you're receiving. After making these changes, it's a good idea to restart your device. Restarting your iPhone ensures that any adjustments you've made are properly applied. It can often resolve lingering issues with notifications and settings updates. However, if the notification that concerns you is related specifically to offline finding, bear in mind that it might not be entirely possible to disable it. This feature is a core component of Apple's security system designed to help locate your device even when it's offline. It's part of the layers of protection Apple provides to ensure your device and information remain safe and recoverable in various scenarios. Remember, making your device work exactly how you want is always a balance between convenience and security. While some notifications can be effectively managed, others are there to help ensure device safety. Hopefully these steps help make your phone a bit more tailored to your needs while keeping it secure. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit or share this video if you need assistance in the future.